Hey guys, welcome back to the Impulse Recreation YouTube channel. We are talking about the new, for us, 2016, it's a Volvo XC90. It has gorgeous Napa leather. It has leather on the key fobs even. It's a First Edition XC90. It's a 2016. They only made like 1,900 and, well, many, I'm not sure. 1,927. So Volvo started in 1927, and that's why there's only 1,927 First Editions. So we're going to do a detail on it. I can't believe how much this is a perfect candidate for a detail job, because we got the car, we thought it was going to be fairly clean, and it's actually pretty hideous. So we're going to do a detail job of the interior first. Get rid of the germs, get rid of the smell. We're going to leather condition the seats. We prefer using certain detail products from Wizards. So we're going to show you how, and we may not be the certified guys using the products in a specific way, so don't harp on us too much, but you can see how we use the different products to get our cars back in good condition. So we're going to start with the interior, and then we're going to work our way to the outside. We're going to hit the engine bay. We're going to get the car cleaned up really good so that we can talk about doing what kind of coating, Joe. We're going to do a ceramic coat on this. We want to make this vehicle be easy to clean, easy to maintain. It's going to be a daily driver, so we're just trying to get it in really good shape so that it'll be easy to wash it up, get the wheels clean. Obviously, when you got brake dust and road grime all the time, we want to have this be an easy car to maintain and keep looking good. It's a perfect candidate for a full exterior detail job. The paint's in really rough shape too, so we're going to take care of that. So just enjoy the video, and hopefully you guys can see and smell-o-vision. You guys would not want to smell the interior of this car. Here we go.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a like if you did. And in the comments, let us know what you want to see with our Camaros here. We have 4 Camaros and a ton of possibilities, and we want to cater the channel to what you guys want to see. Also, subscribe so you guys can stay up to date on what we're doing around here at the shop and with all of our cars. Follow us on Instagram too. We love interacting with you guys and posting a lot more pictures and fun stuff on there. And in the description, we have details for a Venmo giveaway where you guys have a chance to get some stickers and support us so we can keep continuing to make content that you guys want to see. Remember, stay impulsive.